my favorite thing. So I have just received a postage for eBay purchase on Petit Noe, and I'm gonna open it. I got a little bit of knife cut because I use this knife to open. I didn't realize she just put this box and just wrapped it around with paper. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Well, there's some watermarks on the bottom, which I knew, but that's all right. It'll become like that. I'm gonna see if I can clean some of that thing. All right. And then it came with ribbons. Yay! What else? Here's the underside. I got this on eBay, and I'm gonna get it obviously authenticated, but to me this looks totally real. Authentic. Oh yeah, this is authentic. But I will get it like authentication done, because I always do. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. There's a D-ring. Stuffed it. Oh, and she got one of these. Oh, fabulous. Otherwise, I was going to have to buy that. This, let me show you the bottom. Dimensions of this and this, they're similar. I bet they're exactly the same. I know the height is the same. Let me show you. Yeah, see? They're exactly the same. The size is obviously, inside size is the same because I can put the bag organizer that fit in here into here. I will put the dimensions and the weight of these two so that you can see how much lighter this is. This is lighter. This has all this VACHETTA, which is really scary for me, which is why I didn't get this in the first place, and I got the epi for that reason. But when I was going back and forth to when my father was hospitalized, I was using the Petit Noe a lot, and I was stuffing it, and it just felt really heavy and very like it was sort of digging into my shoulders because the strap is also very stiff. This is more flexible than, I mean, it's flexible now, but you know, between the two, I would say this is softer, just because it's VACHETTA. And so I was, and then I went to LV to, you know, remember when my Petit Noe Pochette Matisse had quality issue and I had the credit, and so I was thinking about getting, I saw the Neo Noe and I thought it was beautiful, but I just didn't like the fact that all the edge here was all glazed. And I know that this area can bend and stuff, and I didn't want there to be cracking later, and I didn't want to have to deal with another quality issue. And you know how this has all this leather trimming around it to protect it? It didn't have any of that, and it was $1,590 US, and this one was, I think, $1,290, but they didn't even have it at the store. In fact, my essay was saying. Sales associate said that he thought that it's discontinued, and then I called the LV 1-800 number, and they said that he didn't know whether it was discontinued, but that he didn't see it anywhere in the United States. So then I was in the hunt for a pre-loved item, and I was looking at the older model and the newer model of Petit Noe, An older model doesn't have this vachetta right here. It just has a vachetta on the bottom. And you see a lot of that in pre-loved market, and a lot of it have like water stain, oil stain, and something. And I did see one that looked really good, and I was gonna bid on it, but then I fell asleep, so I missed out on the bid. And then I came across this on eBay, and I bid on it, and luckily I was able to win the bid. Yay! Anyway, this is what it is, and I'm so excited. You know, the scary part of this is the vachetta leather. There's some watermarks here. I'm gonna see if I can clean it up with some wet wipes. Maybe that'll help. And treat it with Carbon Pro water repellent spray. Anyway, that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done so, and I will talk to you later. Bye.